Merry meet magical souls, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm showing you guys how you can bless and consecrate an item. In this instance I'm blessing some bath products that were made with me with cool ingredients, the scents of my twin flame and my ultimate soulmate, like my guardian angels, I just call them that. Basically to give you guys a little idea. So you can make your own magical witchy products, get whatever relic item you want, you can bless and consecrate it. So I'm gonna basically show you my version of what I did in this video, whatever I got in my life going on, and I do a little bit of magic. I'm gonna try to share more of it with you guys since I know you want to see these magical videos. So without further ado, let's bless and consecrate our items. Got these products in Palm Springs. It's basically like a body scrub, an oil, and it makes your hands and body, your skin just feel like a goddess or a god. It's so smooth, you're like an ascended master all over again. So these two products do that, and this is like a body wash and this is like a cologne scent, but they're all naturally made with essential oils. So basically these are awesome products made with essential oils, but what I'm doing right now is just charging the product. So right here you guys can just go ahead and make your salt scrub, your bath salts, whatever you want to do, your essential oil blend, just go ahead, mix everything together. You guys can charge them, which is what I'm doing right now, and saying a spell or intention to them by either putting little crystal chips inside of them. I have all my crystals over here that I'm gonna bless in the full moon. So you guys can go ahead and grab crystal beads or just have crystals around, make a grid. Have crystals on top, set your intention into them, into your product and your stuff that you're blessing. And I also have selenite everywhere with black kyanite, super 7, so I can have my self-cleansing crystals around to amplify that heavenly energy up into the middle of what I'm trying to bless and consecrate. So I have all these products in the middle there, guys, so I'll kind of show you an overview of the grid I decided to do. So I have a line of kyanite going in like an X, if you guys can see. And then I have like the 4 elements, earth, air, fire, water, and spirit being in the middle with clear quartz. So I kind of have that energy going on, and I have blue crystals, blue lace agate, green aventurine, green calcite, blue kyanite. So I kind of have those two energies going on because I'm blessing these with the intention of my 2 guardian angels who are my soulmates. So calling upon their energies, one is green and one is blue. Being a little bit scandalous, you know, got 2 soulmates, no big deal. But yeah, basically channeling that energy, guys, of them into the product, because the oils are their scents as well as another scent that was placed in them. So now once you guys have like your little sacred space created, go ahead and pick some incense to burn. I think you guys probably know this kind of step, but you want to go ahead and pick something cleansing. I have different kind of cleansing incense, but I was guided to use this native soul incense. It has Palo Santo and copal in it. So I have that burning in the corner in my cauldron. I have 2 sandalwood candles burning, and I have a little lavender one over here, as well as a bunch of white candles in the back. The reason why I have them burning is because when you do magic, you want to go ahead and have that element of fire invoked. So it's cool if you have the 5 elements, some aspect of them on your altar. I just love working through the element of fire when I do my magic. So I got my space set up. Then you guys want to go ahead, use your hands, use your wand, and go ahead and cast a protective circle around the space that you're working, or just around you, so you guys can be nice and protected. Invoke the 5 archangels, Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Metron, or whichever ascended masters you want to work with is totally cool. Just go ahead and create your sacred space. Make sure you bring in the divine protection and go ahead and start doing your magic. So you can say any intention or spell that you want. I've already done one to mine, but just a little example for you guys is you can say I call upon the element of earth, air, fire, water, and spirit, and the archangels of the 5 directions to come forth and bless these products in love and light. My intention is to invoke the energy of my twin flame and my ultimate soulmate within these products, so that their love and light, the ultimate power, the most strongest magic of all, love, or love, can protect me now and always, in my sleep and in my wake, in all worlds and realms of existence. May it be done, and so mote it be. And I also forgot to say, guys, I like working with the element of fire because I like to invoke Archangel Michael's blue flames, and I do a little snap of my fingers and a little hand motion to invoke that energy. So have all those good vibes going on. Say a spell, intention, make it sound good. And that's basically it, guys. I just have my incense burning because I'm also praying too and asking for, like, when the incense done burning, may the spell be complete, so mote it be. I asked Goddess Nyx for help, and Archangel Michael, and all the 5 archangels of that direction. So this is a basic example of how to charge your products, guys. Now it would be totally cool to do this and set out your products out in the full moon. The full moon is tomorrow, so I will be doing that. Or you can do this ritual when the moon is present. And if the moon phase that you want to use isn't present with you, you can also time travel spell, call upon that moon phase in this time and space. It's so easy. Call upon that energy, work with it. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna also maybe put a little crystal in each one of my products too. I think for this one, I want to put a piece of citrine in it, or I mean this one. I want to put a little citrine tumble. I think I have it over there. I want to put it in there. You can put a couple crystals in there, guys, or just leave them around it and infuse the energy of the crystal into your product with your intention. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory, and before I did all of this too, guys, I also said a spell. This one was from Athena from Sage Goddess. I really love it. I also want to create my own, but haven't had time to with my break. I kind of just call upon the elements and do it naturally and not read off a paper. But since I haven't done it in so long, I went ahead and used this elemental blessing from Athena from Sage Goddess. So you guys can kind of follow it. It's calling upon each element besides kind of the element of spirit. First one kind of calls upon it, but you know, I kind of do this as a little reference to remind me, and I go ahead and bless everything, consecrate it, cleanse it with everything that I need to, the incense, fire, holy water. I also anointed my crystals that like I'm wearing to do my work with essential oil. I went ahead and blessed those, and I used my Tibet bowl. So it's kind of about adding layers of clearing that you guys need to do. So you want to just clear your space, cast your protective circle, set your intention with your spell and prayer, and make all that magic happen. So now these products, guys, I'm gonna review them and let you guys know how they work after the little blessing slash consecration happened. So that was kind of a little idea of what I've done. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys don't want to do all this work, it's totally cool. I'm gonna be making some magical products for my store at Mystic Priestess on Etsy soon. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I did to consecrate this, and hope it inspired you. Here's some natural beauty of a high priestess. I hope you guys enjoy. Just joking, but I wasn't really filming my face because I didn't get ready. I just wanted to do the spell, try out the products for you. But anyways, if you guys notice in the video, the lights turned on and off. That is another sign of when you work with energy and magic. Magic is energy. You guys can't see it. It's in the 5D, but it moves like air. You can't see air. Basically, I think my magic, when I was talking to you guys and doing my intentions, totally affected the energy because the lights turned on and off, and it never does that. So I was ignoring it because I thought my sister went to the corner of my door and she was turning the lights on and off, and I was trying to ignore her, just thinking positive thoughts and not wanting to be like, Tiffany, stop turning off my lights. But anyways, I don't know if you guys noticed that, but intentions, magic, and power is really real. It's neat to see the stuff already manifesting and working. Anyways, let's wait for the spell to be done and test out the products. Okay guys, here's a before and after. This foot with the amethyst is the one I'm gonna do, and this foot I'm not gonna do anything to. And we're gonna do the scrub and the oil and see how my feet look compared to my skin on the right with the moonstone. Moonstone's gonna have no product, and this one's gonna have product on it. So let's get that goddess god skin. So step 1, guys, is to use their Sinfulicious Body Scrub. So let's go ahead and use this first. I'm gonna let you guys read a little bit of what it's all about. So you can pause the screen and read, but this stuff works so good, guys. I love it so much. So let's go in and start. I promise my sink isn't as yellow as it looks on camera, guys. It's actually gold. There's like gold flakes everywhere, but anyways, what you're supposed to do is use the scrub first. Give your skin a nice scrub. I wonder if I should use my exfoliating brush. So I'm gonna grab some of that, put it all over my foot, and just give it a nice good scrub. And you guys can also do magic when you do this. Get up in your cuticles. You can set your intentions of like, clearing away all that stuff you don't want. Like if you have blemishes on your feet or acne, when you do it on your face, you can just say like, let the object of objection become but a dream. as it caused the seen to be unseen and just envision your smooth skin. You can also grab a crystal right now. It would be good to use an adventuring crystal and rub it on your skin and infuse that energy of love on there. I'm wearing so many crystal bracelets that I'm channeling my magic and power through the scrub. And the scrub's already kind of magically charged too, guys. So I'm just going ahead and doing that. So let's see. I gave my foot a nice good scrub. I might do a little bit more. Make sure I get every nook and cranny of this foot. Make sure I get the bottom of the foot too. Okay, I'm gonna wash off the foot. Let's see what magic this is gonna do. Oh my god, my foot feels so smooth, guys. I forgot to get up in the crevice right here. Let me try to use some of this that's left. I don't know if you guys can see my foot, but oh my god, without even using the oil yet, my foot feels insane. It feels so smooth. Can you guys see the difference from my leg? Like my leg up here compared to my foot? Oh my god, it's so smooth already with just without the oil. I'm gonna go ahead and dry it off right now. Before and after, oh wait, this is nothing and this is with just the scrub, guys. Can you see? This is crazy. My foot is so smooth, so soft. Can I zoom in more? This foot feels so soft and this one is all dry. This would be good before you get your nails done. Ooh, I want to spray the oil, let's see. And the last step is going to be to use this oil that they have that totally makes your skin all nice and polished and so smooth like a Greek god or goddess. I love it so much. So let's go ahead and use this baby. How awesome! The finished touch. So spray a little bit of that oil on my foot, or a lot. My foot smells so good, guys. I can't really smell and taste things, and she put extra oil in this product. Oh my god, this is crazy. My little toes. Add that oil on your foot. Give it a nice good rubbing. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but this foot with the amethyst, I did the treatment to, and I didn't do anything on this foot. Look at it, even before I put the oil on my foot felt so smooth and rejuvenated. And just look at this one, it looks all dry. I think because I'm using my ring light, so you guys can't fully tell, but my skin on this foot is just so smooth. Can you guys see that? It's just so soft and smooth. And then my skin on this foot is just like dry. Do you guys see that? It's not really focusing. See, my skin on my foot's really dry, doesn't want to focus. And like compared just to even my legs, can you guys see my leg? You can see my leg hair, but this, oh yeah. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm trying to share more of my magic with you because I know you guys want to see it. I've kind of done some spells, some videos, but I've done more hauls and stuff because a lot of my practice I do keep private, and then I took a 3-month break, so that kind of happened, but I'm getting back into the groove of things, filming my YouTube videos for you guys. I definitely want to incorporate all my fun stuff I love doing, which is magic, vlogs, and all that fun stuff, and of course luxury, we can't forget that. So I was so happy because this necklace, I'll give you guys a little short story, is an angelic rune symbol. It's angelic power, just all the archangel and angel vibes. And it broke on my 3-month break of me filming videos for you guys, and it was just suck because I barely touched it, was trying to clean it with my towel. I barely put any pressure on it, and then it just snapped. So it was totally like an interference, and it was just so sad, so I had to order a new one. So I was so happy to get my magical necklace back on me. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Also give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below too. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be.